Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to create professional color grading with color lookup. Open your photo in Photoshop and make sure your exposure and basic corrections are already done. Professional color grading works best on a clean image. Go to the Adjustments panel and add a color lookup adjustment layer. In the Properties panel, start testing LUTs that match your project style. Don't rush this step. Professional grading is about subtlety and consistency. Once you select a LUT, lower the opacity to around 20 to 40% to avoid overpowering the image. Next, add a curves adjustment layer above the color lookup. Use this to fine-tune contrast and control highlight roll-off. If the image needs color balance refinement,